Good day, everyone. Welcome to That Friendly Writer Statistics and Data Analysis tutorial videos for TVL students. This is my YouTube channel where you can watch lots of statistics and data analysis videos. Today, we'll learn about the standard normal table, also known as the Z table. In this video, we will learn to look up for percentages to the left of a Z value, also known as its percentile rank. Alright, let's get started. The tables that you see here are what we call as the standard normal tables. Every statistics course requires students to familiarize themselves, not to memorize, but at least know how to use different tables. And the Z table is one of them. The values that you see inside are percentages or percentiles. There are two tables. The first one is the left of a negative Z, while the second is the left of a positive Z. What do we mean by the left of Z? Recall that in a standard normal distribution, mean mu equals 0 pertains to the mean itself, and hence it marks the 50% area. So, if we have a positive z, that means it goes beyond 0, which means that the total percentage or area is over or more than 50%. Remember that 50% means half. So, a positive z means that we have a percentage that should be more than half or 50% of the total data. And if we have a negative z, this does not reach 0 from its left. Thus, it did not reach the 50% mark of the mean. That means we expect that our percentage is less than 50%. On the other hand, having z equals 0 exactly means that its percentage at its left is exactly 50%. Remember that the mean is also the median, dividing the distribution equally 50% on its left and the remaining 50% on its right. So, how do we use the standard normal or z table? Let's have an example. What is the total percentage to the left of z equals 1.15? Because our z is positive, we need to use the table for positive values of z's. Next, using our given z equals 1.15, we split them into 1.1 and zero point 0.05. This is obvious since 1.15 equals 1.1 plus zero point 0.05. So we look for the 1.1 row and look for the zero point 0.05 column. Their intersection is 0.87493. This is the percentage we are looking for. Therefore, the percentage to the left of z equals 1.15 is 87.49%. This is reasonable because this is more than 50% since z equals 1.15 is positive. Here's another example. What is the percentile rank of z equals negative 1? Percentile rank means how much percentage of the values falls at or below the given number. Different terms, yes, but the same principle. We use this time the table for negative z values. Our given z equals negative 1 means we can put zeros until it has two decimal places. In this case, I will attach two zeros. So this means we split the given as negative 1.0 plus zero point 0. So we look for the negative 1.0 under the rows and zero point 0.00 under the columns. Their intersection is 0.15866 or 15.87%, which is the percentile rank of z equals negative 1. Just like what I said a while ago, if we have a negative z, that means our percentile rank should be less than 50%, which makes our answer reasonable. For the last example, Kiara took the entrance exam at a local college. Her score is standardized at z equals 2.5. What is her percentile rank? So that means Kiara's z-score of 2.5 stands almost at the very right, as you can see in the illustration. Let's look up z equals 2.5 in the positive z table. Pause this video to work this out among yourselves. So the intersection of 2.5 and zero point 0.00 is 0.99379 or 99.38%. This means that Kiara managed to outscore about 99% of all other test takers. She must be very smart. She managed to score higher than others who have a lower rank, those in the middle 50% of the distribution, and even among those who scored high. Since Kiara's percentile rank is already 99%, then only about 1% managed to score higher than her. Kiara's percentile rank of 99% means that she scored better than 99% of those who took the exam. And there you go, how to use the standard normal table. For your practice exercises, you can try looking up the following percentile ranks of the following z-scores. Pause this video to work on them. You may also try sketching their percentiles on a standard normal distribution. Also, a problem solving for you to work on. Marco is a palarong pambansa player. His height among fellow men's basketball players stands at z equals negative 0.52. What is his percentile rank in terms of height? This concludes my video. Thank you so much for listening. Have a friendly day.